everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about scalar functions in SQL. So what are the scalar functions in SQL? Scalar functions are those functions which returns a single value based on the input. Okay, so these functions are going to take one or more argument and it is going to return the single value of any data type. All right, so there are many scalar functions. So common scalar functions are like upper, lower, length, round, absolute, get, det. These are called the different scalar functions we'll be dealing with. Now, we'll check the implementation part. See, we are going to create one table called product. Create table product. In this product table, we have some column, product ID, product name, category, and price. So let me create a table. Then we are going to insert some records. Overall, we are inserting 5 records for product ID, product name, product category, and the price of the product. And if you notice, the data type is int, varchar, decimal is also there. All right. So here we are going to insert the record into the table. Now the very first scalar function is a length. So when to use this length? You can see here length is used to get the length of the specific characters. Okay, so it will return the length of the string. Now what is the query I have written here? Select product name. Need to select the product name and the length of product name. I want only 2 columns. One column is product name followed by the length of product name. As I want the length of this product name in another column, a column name is product name length and from table name product. And you can see product name column I'm getting how many characters we have? LAPTOP. There are 6 characters and you can see in length we are getting the 6. DESK 4 characters, so I'm getting the 4. So I'm getting the length as well. Then we have uppercase. So upper is nothing but if you have your data, it will convert our text into the uppercase. So select product name, comma, uppercase on a product name. I'm applying uppercase on product name as I'm storing that result into the variable called uppercase name and the table called products. And you can see laptop is our older data, which is existing data available. On this column, I have applied the uppercase. So LAPTOP is converted into the uppercase. You can see laptop, desk, smartphone, chair, table. All the data is converted from lower uppercase. Then we have a lower, like how we converted the data from lower normal to uppercase. The same way we have a lower. Lower is used to convert the data from any of the case to the lower case. So select category. I'm applying lowercase on a category column. So select category and apply lower on category column. And that result, we are going to store it in the variable called lowercase category from table name product. And now you can see first E is capital, rest all ELECTRONICS, it's small letters. Still, we have applied the lower to this means all the data is converted into the lowercase. Then we have a ABS. ABS stands for the absolute value. So basically, I'm going to get the difference between these two. See, I know we in our table, we have a price column. If you see 799, 150, 499, this is how we have a price column. I just want to know the difference between that price to 1000 number. 1000 is a value. Whatever the price minus 1000. And I want to store it in a variable in column called price different. So you can see the data which we have is a 799. 799.99 means probably 800. So 800 minus 1000, we left with 200. Again, 150.50 minus 1000. So we left with 849.50. So this is how we get the difference between two prices, 1000 to the available price in the data. The last one, we have a round. Select product name. So I'm applying the round. How it will work? Round. It is going to round the number to the specific decimal place. Okay. So we have a price column. Okay, if you notice in price column, we have 2 digits after the decimal places. Now I am applying the round to on it. Round on price column and comma 0. What does it mean? If you see the output, I'm rounding it to the number where we have only 0 digits after the decimal places. Round off. You can see 799 is converted to 800. 150 is converted to 151. Likewise. So this is how round works. It rounds the number to the specified decimal place. And then we have a substring. Substring is nothing but a part of a string. Okay, substring is nothing but a part of a string. Already we have a column called product name. So product name, we have a laptop, desk, smartphone, chair, tablet. These are the product names we have. Now I want to get some characters from the product names. So substring, take a part of the string on the product name column. And what is it? 1, 3. 1 is nothing but start with the first character till third even. You are going to take it. Start with the first character till third. You can see. So LAPTOP. What is the first character? L. Start with 1 till 3. LAP. So LAP we are getting as a short name. DESK. 1 to 3. DES. Smartphone. SMA. So this is how we are getting the value from starting from first character to third character. You can modify, guys. You can make it to 3 to 3. 3 to 5. Like this I can take. See. So 3, 1, 2, 3. It is starting from P. 3, 4, 5. PTOP. Okay, so this is how it is working. Substring, we are taking the text from the text available in the table. And one more we have, which is a concat. So concat is nothing but 2 values we are combining together. So we have product name column, we have category column. I'm applying the concat. I'm applying concat on product name and category column. So 2 columns are merging together and the separator is middle. I'm using one hyphen, single hyphen. You can use anything. You can add a space as well like this. Nothing we have mentioned means it is acting as a space. So add hyphen and you can check the result. So there you have 2 column, product name and category. I'm up concat I'm applying on this. So laptop hyphen electronics. Why hyphen? Because here I have mentioned hyphen. If you don't want this, if you want asterisk symbol. Now can you see? Laptop star electronic, desk star furniture. So this is how you can use anything however you want. Double hyphen, see. So this is how we are applying the concatenation on the data. So where we are combining you can combine 2 or more than 2 columns with the help of this. That's it. Thank you.